Good evening, everyone. I'm Kiranmai, working as a social teacher in BC Welfare. Would like to just talk to you all regarding some issues. It's just a kind of conversation with you all. To start with, I'll just sing a small song for you. Then we'll discuss what we want to discuss. तू मेरा कर्मा, तू मेरा धर्मा, तू मेरा अभिमान है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे हे वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे हे वतन तेरे लिए। Hope I just managed to sing well. Why did I sing this song? What does this song really mean? This song means that we are dedicated so much towards our country. We can do anything for our country. We can even sacrifice our lives if at times it is needed. That song has that much of a very good meaning. But are we all doing that really? Just you have to question yourselves, not only you, every one of us. Being individuals, we have to just question ourselves. We are living in a very traumatic situation. Actually, we have never ever dreamt of such a situation we are going through right now. Now we are just scared to talk to people. We are scared to wish people. What is all this? Where are we heading towards? Why is all these things happening with us? As the science is progressing day by day, there are many issues which are troubling the humankind. For everything there is a solution. One day there will be definitely a solution. But till that time, we have to have patience. We should be tolerant enough to solve our problems. Try to help people around you. Because there are so many people who are really in need of so many things right now. Maybe we are really not in a situation to help them a lot, but whatever we can do, a small help also makes a lot of difference nowadays, the situation we are in. Or else just a normal kind of giving rejuvenating their own strength. This is a very devastating situation that we are all going through. That song means that we can do anything for the sake of our country, but are we really doing? And today I would like to discuss with you all the term dreams. What are dreams? What are dreams actually? Everyone dream because without dream we cannot achieve anything. A person who is not capable of seeing dreams really cannot do anything in his or her lives. And what are these dreams actually? A small boy, when he goes to bed, in his dreams he see that the next day when he wakes up, there are a lot of chocolates which are just falling off the sky. And when a teenager who is looking for a beautiful life will dream that one day there will be a handsome guy who will be all of a sudden entering into her life and making her life a beautiful heaven. See, these are all dreams. But the dreams that I am going to talk today, they really mean a lot. Actually, what is a dream first of all? Dream, is it necessary? Is it necessary to dream? Should all of us have dreams? Definitely. Absolutely. Definitely we all should have dreams. And I will certainly tell you to dream big. Don't have small dreams. Dream big. When you can dream big, then only you can think of doing some tremendous things, incredible things in your life. And most of us dream, but we feel hesitant to achieve our dreams because we are all the time in a dilemma whether what the other person will think of you when you do something. Because I personally say that you yourself is the biggest enemy of yours, because nobody can really harm you than you yourself is harming you. Because we dream, but at the same time we expect some person will help their helping hands towards you, and they will come to you and they will show the path from which you have to go and achieve your goals. But that really doesn't happen, because the truth is nobody will people will definitely tell you that you are capable of doing so many things, you are this and you are that, but there is only one person who really can help you. That is none other than yours. That is none other than you. You only can help yourself. You only can really analyze what you are capable of doing something. What you are capable of doing, first of all. What are you? What are you up to? What are your positive things and what are your negative things? Where are your what is your aspiration in life? Again, I would like to talk about dream here. Dream is not something that you will see after you sleep, but dream is something that will never let you sleep. First of all, that is a dream. Everybody sees dreams, but will they happen just like that? Will they happen on their own way, or you have to do something to achieve them? And most of the people stuff their dreams under their foot. That should not be done. And every individual is unique. One person may be good at singing, one individual may be good at dancing, and one may be good at speaking. There are so many talents in people. Every individual is unique. No two persons are same. They differ in different things. So you have to understand your inner capacity. You have to wake up your inner sense of consciousness. You have to wake up your inner sense of consciousness that will only tell you what you are really up to, what you really want to do in life. And something, first of all, people dream and people want to do something, definitely. But for that thing, you should understand one thing, that you have chosen for yourself or somebody told you to do. If somebody else have told you to do a particular thing, that is not your dream. You have to choose your goal. When you choose your goal, then only you can work on that. Then only you can give 100% towards that. Because when you choose something, you will never fail in that. And people always talk about difficulties, problems. They say that we want to do so many things in our lives, but there are things that are stopping us from doing those things. So you have to jot down all those things on one paper. What are the things that are really stopping you from achieving your goals, from achieving your targets? You have to jot down everything on paper. What is that which is stopping you, which is hindering you from doing something? Then only you can achieve your goals. So it's just see, problems come in everyone's lives. Even I have problems. I have gone through so many difficult phases in my life. Even today, I'm struggling with so many issues in my life. It's not easy. People might suggest you to do things, but it is you who knows the actual pain of it. Saying is easy, but when it comes to acting on those things, they will only understand the pain of doing it. But when you love something, you will never really feel any pain in that. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to say, you should know the thing that you really love the most. What is the thing that you really love the most? When you ask me, I can say that teaching was my passion. From the beginning, I like teaching. I love to interact with students. I love to talk to them. I love to teach the subject what I know. That's the reason I left corporate, because I used to work in corporate before. But there I could feel that I'm not actually up to that, and I worked there enough. I worked there. I had a really good time there. But then I started thinking, is this the thing that I really want to do in my life? Then I thought, there is something. See, every individual is born to do something. Human life is very precious. Human life is really precious. But you will get only one life. In that one life, you have to do so many things. You have to achieve so many things. You should first of all understand for what you are born. Every individual is born to do something in life. That you have to understand. Then I realized that I love teaching. I was very passionate about teaching. I love to interact with people. I love to interact with the students. I would love to be with them always. And targets are always two types. There are some short-term goals and there are some long-term goals. You should understand what is your short-term goal and what is your long-term goal. And whenever there is passion towards doing something, that will definitely be successful one day or the other day. And how will you recognize whether you are passionate towards that or not? Because people say that achieve your goals, achieve your targets. But how you should achieve your goals, nobody will tell you. That you have to decide. That you have to come to a conclusion how you should achieve your goals. And how will you know that whether you are passionate towards something or not? How will you understand that there is only one thing? See, there may be so many obstacles in your way which will hinder you from progressing in your life. So, how many ever struggles that you pass through, when you are very much determined, you are not leaving that thing for the matter of any sake, for the matter of anything, when you are not leaving something and you are not bothered whether that will be successful or not. You don't know how long it will take. You don't know where you are. You only know one thing, where you are heading yourself. But you don't know really how long it will take, whether it will be successful or not, what sort of problems you have to pass through, and what are the difficulties that come in your way. How many people will stop you from doing something, or you yourself wants to stop that in between. So after having said all these things, how many ever difficulties you are facing through, when you are not stopping anything for the sake of anyone, that shows your passion towards something. That shows your dedication towards something. That is what is your inner consciousness telling you to do. When you love something, you will definitely don't feel any fatigue. You will not feel any pain in doing that. The only thing is that you can see from your big eyes is what you want to achieve one day. That only will be your aim, your goal. So I would just like to tell you all, this is the time we are really panic. We are not able to talk to people. We are not able to go outside. But don't get panic. This is the time that will really tell you your that will really guide you what is your inner consciousness saying to you. Understand that sense of feeling and try to work on that. I would like to tell all the students, don't be panic and try to help your people around you and try to put your focus towards studies. Don't all the time feel that classes are not happening or schools are not getting open. All these things don't think. Just if you have the zeal, if you have the interest, you can definitely do on yourself. You can definitely do whatever you want to do. This is the best time you really can focus towards your goals. Read well, do mathematics, try to work out English grammar and all, do various things, practice yoga, do painting, do dancing, do whatever you want. Just live the life king size, live the life to the full of extent possible. Thank you all for listening to me. I just wanted to share my views with you all because this is the time where we have to be very patient and we have to be very confident enough to struggle the situation. Thank you all. Good night.